Okay, this is a little video to show the amount of dirt that is behind this plastic panel here. I'm going to start by removing that pin and that pin. As you can see, I'll try and do this and hold the camera as well. It's a plastic pin. No, I don't think I'm going to be able to do this. Oh, I might be able to. No damage in it. That's the two pins pulled out. Go back up to the, then you have the outer casing, which I'll prise out. As you can see, this is a plastic piece that pushes into the metal hole, and the pin going through it wedges it. So I'll take both of them out. And there are the two plastic pins pushed back into the plastic housings. You can see the ridges on them. That's in focus. And that's what holds the plastic tray in. Now, if we go back up to the plastic tray, I'm going to pull this out a little bit. And hopefully you can see the amount of mud held in behind there. Now I reckon most crafters and sprinters are probably the same. So I'm going to dig it all out now. I'll just, you can see it. I'm going to dig it all out and I'll show you how much is in there. And there we are. You can see how much soil has come out of that. Absolutely loads. It's looking, still a little bit of cleaning to do in there, bit of a hose pipe maybe, but you can see I didn't paint in behind there as well. Definitely a job worth doing, definitely a job. I don't know if I can get in there. You can see there's a little bit more left to do in there, but such a simple thing to get in at, so maybe, you know, while we're in this lockdown, you can do yours as well.